Everyone likes a nice car, right? Many of us who have a sense of passion in what we drive find ourselves interested in customizing our vehicle. I mean, it's our dream car. Why should it look exactly the same as the thousands of that very same model on the road? Unfortunately, aftermarket parts and cosmetic upgrades can be quite expensive, especially when looking to modify a rare or unique car. On top of that, many aftermarket parts come with a negative side effect. Take a set of aftermarket wheels, for example. Sure, they are budget options in the aftermarket wheel department, and this is what we actually call a rep. So basically a replica wheel, which are basically, they're very often unsafe and they're prone to cracking under the stress of daily driving. Not to mention that they tend to be the joke of most of us car enthusiasts. You, the self-respecting car lover, you're not gonna take that route. So your other option would be going with these high-end companies that are typically gonna charge you $1,000 to a couple $1,000s for the whole set. And not to mention that you still have to add tires on top of it. So you're not gonna get away unless you pay $2,000 to $3,000 for a set of wheels. Yes, all of those guys driving around with shiny, deep dish, custom wheels have actually paid thousands of dollars. But listen up, that doesn't have to be your case. While many of us don't have or are not even willing to drop that kind of money on wheels, we do have the option to get our factory OEM wheels customized. And the best way to do it is through powder coat. At a fraction of the cost of a new set of wheels, you can simply rock the look that you've been dreaming of this whole entire time. Look, refinishing your OEM wheels is not only significantly cheaper than replacing them, but it's also safer. I mean, just think of it. The people that designed the car, the engineers, have actually put so much thought into those wheels to make sure that they are built to the perfect size, the perfect offset, and they are strong enough for the specific car that they're on. Here at RTP Customs, we refinish hundreds of wheels every single month, and we save our customers a lot of money. I mean, we work from Fords to Ferraris. I mean, we pretty much see it all. We're not an auto shop. We actually specialize exclusively in refinishing wheels and brake calipers, as well as structural and cosmetic wheel repair. You would be amazed at what a refinishing can do for the look of the vehicle. I mean, imagine your car with a set of glossy black wheels and bright red calipers. I mean, it looks 10 times better, right? Oftentimes, at less than a quarter of the price you would pay for that same look using aftermarket parts. If you're ready to step away from having a totally normal car, you should consider getting your wheels powder coated. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook because we operate 24 hours and we give our customers the ability to see exactly what happens on our production line. That way, it gives you the ability to get an idea of the different finishes that we can do and how OEM wheels are transformed and how much of a difference it makes on these vehicles. Follow us, and we are looking forward to hearing your story.